how to add links to your Zoom emails, webinar invites. So in my last video I showed you how to add description, how to create your webinar. So we'll continue from a created webinar. So here's my webinar. Just open it up. My webinar topic, description, and time has already been set. You can view your webinar registration link here, see what your audience is going to see with our registration link. They basically see your webinar topic, the time, and the description, and there's a place for them to register right here. So that's basically the purpose of the webinar topic and the description. So now let's go back to adding links. So in order to add a link, you'll go to email settings in your Zoom, and this part now where they say confirmation email. Confirmation email is sending confirmation email to registrants upon registration. Now, this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to edit this email. You can change the subject line because you'll be sending this confirmation email again and again, like you would normally send when you're using an autoresponder or whatever marketing software you use. So you can edit your subject line, and now this part that Zoom has left open for you, this is where you can add your write-up. This is where you can add your content, your email copy, or whatever it is. Now you add your email copy here with your call to action, and this is where you add your link. Now, unlike autoresponders where you can select a text and input your link in the text, hyperlink it, you cannot do that with Zoom. And you cannot also add emojis here in your emails. The subject line, the copy area, you cannot add emojis. Anytime you add emojis, it changes to this. The emoji you add changes to this. So that's a little disadvantage, but we have to do whatever, make use of whatever is available. So now the next thing is adding your link. You can only add your link directly like this. So you input your link directly here. Don't worry, as it is like this, it will be hyperlinked. So I will show you a sample of what the email looks like after it has been sent. So this is it. You add your link as you would normally add in your autoresponder and all that. You can also add more information here, add bonuses, add whatever it is you want to add, and input your link. So this is basically it, and you can save, and your email is ready to be sent to your audience. Now, an extra tip. This part where they say reminder email now. This reminder email is where Zoom will automatically send reminders for you, but they only have 1 hour before, 1 day before, and 1 week before. So if you want to run your webinar, maybe you want to set up your webinar a week ahead, Zoom will send, you'll be able to mark this. So Zoom will automatically send to your entire list that you've added to your Zoom webinar. Don't worry, I'll show you the part where you can add lists in my next video. So you can mark the 1 day before and 1 hour before. Your reminder, you can change the subject line if you want to. This description will be in your email. So sometimes it's good to actually make this description short. Now this part, this is where you can add your copy, and this is where you can add your link, and that is it. You save your reminder email and you're good to go. Now you can also, as an extra, if for example your webinar has been done and you want to, I mean, maybe you run the webinar or you did not run the webinar, but you can also add an extra that is send 1 day after scheduled. That's your follow-up absentee email. That is to send an email to people that did not attend the webinar. You can only schedule it from 1 day after, 2 days after, and all that. So mark this. You can edit the subject line. You can edit the copy so that you can Zoom automatically send this message to your audience and you add your link. So with this now, you get Zoom will send basically 3 emails for you: 1 day before, 1 hour before, and 1 day after. Now with this, you know how to add links to your Zoom